In today's episode, we're doing a little cleaning and decorating. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm going to do, you know what to do. Stick around. Okay, now I just spotted this wet spot because I had the towel in my hand. Okay, let me get to the video. Hello everyone, I am Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on the budget. So today I'm decorating for summer in the kitchen, on this side of the kitchen. You don't want to see over there. If we ever showed you reality when we're decorating something, how one area is destroyed, it would blow your mind. I know it would, because if you see what I'm looking at, that's why I'm only doing this side of the kitchen. But I'm carrying my thing from my formal dining room and the breakfast area into the kitchen, as I said before. So I want to clean this area and then get it set up for summer. So I'm going to get to work cleaning because the stove really needs to be cleaned off and get it all together. Are you ready to see the reveal? Now this part over here, I moved the bread box to give me more space on the countertop. But the stove top is clean. All shiny and pretty. Then over here in the corner is where I decorated for summer. Now as you see, my KitchenAid mixer is copper, of course. And it has the yellow and white cotton cloth in it to go with my decor for the summer. Now here is my tray. Isn't that gorgeous? Simple but gorgeous. Now what I have is the bee theme, and the bee salt and pepper shakers came from Hobby Lobby. And the wooden little bees that I put in the milk carton and in the flour, they came from Hobby Lobby as well. Hobby Lobby had a clearance on the bee theme stuff, so I went and picked those up. Now the carton that says sugar and the other one that's milk, those were thrifted. I've had those for a long time, for years. And then my old standbys are my copper mirror tray, the salt and pepper copper meal, and then the oil and vinegar containers with the copper tips at the back. They are always there. That's their permanent home. They're always there. But I think the tray turned out really, really pretty. It's simple, but it is too cute. I like it. And then we have my utensils. Those utensils came from Amazon. And then I have the copper spoon utensil holder. That came from Ross. And then I have a copper spoon rest, but I keep the silicone one in top to keep it from getting too messed up when I cook with it. But I lay my spoons after cooking. But I think this all came out really cute over here in this corner, this summer corner. It looks gorgeous. So when you step in the kitchen, this is what you see when you step in from the hallway. So, and someone asked me about the silicone guards here I have on the stove here. These came from Amazon. I put them here because I don't like when food or whatever spills between the stove and the counter because of that crack. And it has this little seal on it where you can slap it right there and nothing spills down between the stove and the counter. So, I think it came in a pack of 4, I believe. Don't quote me on that. I think it was, but I'm not sure. I can't remember. I've had them so long. But they do come in white, black, and I think I've seen them in gray. Okay, here's how the kitchen looks from the side, the whole summer corner on this side of the kitchen. Oh, I forgot to show you my towels. Now, I got the bee theme cup towel from the Dollar Tree, and the black one came from there as well. So this is hardly anything you spend. Everything was on clearance or sale or from the Dollar Tree that was new here. Let me know what you think of my summer corner. I really think it turned out really cute this year. Let me know down below. You know I love reading your comments, and I will see you in the next episode.